Canva is a great tool for making designs. You can use it to create posters, social media posts, presentations, and more. One thing you may want to do is to learn how to justify the text. Justifying text makes the edges of your text look straight and even on both sides. This makes your designs look neat and professional. And if you are new to Canva, don't worry, this guide will show you step by step how to justify text easily. So, open Canva on your computer or phone. Then, choose a design template or start with a blank page. In the next step, click on the text tool on the left side of your screen. Here, select Add a text box and type your text inside. Now, you have a text box on your design. Now, click on the text box that you want to justify. When you click, a toolbar will appear at the top of the screen. This toolbar has options to change font, size, color, and alignment. To justify the text, you must use the alignment button. It looks like 3 small lines stacked on the top of each other. Click on it. You will see different alignment options: left, center, right, and justify. So, select the justify option. It looks like this one. Now, your text will spread out so that both sides are even. If you resize the text box, the text will adjust to fit. But if the text looks too stretched, make the text box simply wider. If there are big spaces between words, try adding more words or changing the font size. And always make sure that your text still looks easy to read. You should also know that not all fonts work well with justified text. If the spacing looks odd, try different font. Simple fonts like Arial, Open Sans, and Roboto usually works best. Now, you know how to justify text in Canva. Try it out and make your designs look even better. So, I hope you found this simple tutorial helpful. And if you want, then like the video and comment if you have any questions.